Story 3. Tiny the baby turtle was stolen.
Peekaboo! Hey, you're such a little rascal. I'm a speedy swimmer. Yes, you are, my little hero.
Look at that, a big haul. We're gonna be rich tonight. Let's move out. Don't let a single one escape. The beach looks beautiful today.
Wow! Look at the ocean! The water is so blue. Can we play near the rocks?
Yes, but stay together.
Do not run too far, kids.
Luka! Come here quickly! What is it, Lucy? Oh, a baby turtle. Are you hurt? Oh, a baby turtle. Its leg is injured. It looks very weak. Poor little turtle. Its shell is dirt too. Luka, look over there. Those cages are broken. And there are turtle tracks everywhere.
Kids, stay back, please.
What happened here?
Someone stole many turtles last night.
Stole them? Why?
Some bad people sell turtles illegally.
That is horrible. Maybe this baby turtle escaped.
Maybe. It is lucky to be alive.
Can we help it?
The turtle needs help.
We can take care of it tonight.
Really? Thank you, Dad.
But only until we contact the rescue center tomorrow.
I promise we will be careful. Let us search how to feed baby turtle. That's a great idea. It says baby turtles need soft food. Does it like fish? Small pieces only. Look, it is eating.
That means it feels safer now.
It is so tiny and cute.
We should give it a name.
Tiny.
Tiny the turtle.
I love that name. Tiny is swimming now. It looks much stronger.
You both did a good job.
Tiny really trusts you now.
It follows me everywhere
I think Tiny likes you the most.
because I am nice.
I help too.
Okay, Tiny likes both of us.
That sounds fair.
Can Tiny stay with us forever?
We will talk about it later.
Tiny loves the park. It likes the grass. Tiny, look at the camera. I think turtles do not understand cameras. Shh. I want a cute photo.
Wait, that turtle looks familiar. It came from the beach.
Lucy, hold Tiny carefully. I know.
That hurts.
This boy fell down. Let's help him.
Good. Now nobody is watching. Now is my chance.
Where is Tiny? What? That man took Tiny!
Stop! Give Tiny back!
The van is gone! Luka, look at the license plate!
I see it.
Tiny is gone. We can still save it. What do we do now? Call Animal Rescue quickly.
Animal Rescue Center. How can we help you?
Someone stole our baby turtle.
He drove away in a white van.
The license plate is 52B7142.
Good job remembering the number.
Please save Tiny.
Stay calm. We are checking the vehicle now.
Can we help?
Stay with your parents. We will contact you soon.
We found the van location.
Really? Is Tiny there?
We think so. We are coming too.
I hear animals inside.
Lucy, look at all those turtles.
There are baby turtles everywhere.
And the mother turtles, too.
Stay away from my animals! They are not your animals. I can make money from them.
You're not going anywhere. It's over.
Tiny. It came back to us. Can Tiny stay with us now?
Tiny belongs in the ocean.
But we love Tiny.
We can still visit the beach someday.
I do not want to say goodbye.
Loving an animal means doing what is best for it.
Tiny needs the sea and its family.
Will Tiny remember us? I think so.
Tiny is healthy again because of you two. You saved its life.
Goodbye, Tiny.
Be safe in the ocean.
I will miss you so much. Look! Tiny is turning around. It is looking at us.
Maybe it is saying thank you.
Tiny is going home now.
Goodbye, little turtle. I am sad, but also happy. Tiny has its family again, and the ocean is its real home. Thanks for watching our story. Please support our channel, English Time with Lucy and Luka. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.